Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one. Today, as I was at work, my left side handbrake stuck on the Range Rover. But it's a good job it happened virtually just outside my house, otherwise you would be stranded. So it's the left side actuator. I've just got a brand new one, 265 quid from Jaguar Land Rover. But I'm going to show you how to do this. Right guys, there's the old one. As you can see, the water's got into it. There is a seal. There's the old seal. It's just held on by two bolts, but they're star ones. There would be, wouldn't there? That type. So I've been to Jaguar Land Rover and bought her a brand new one. It comes with a seal, it comes with grease, and it comes with two new bolts. Wasn't too bad. So yeah, but the thing is, if you get stuck in the middle of nowhere, you can't release your handbrake unless there's a special way of doing it. If there is, let me know in the comments, guys and girls. But I'm just about to take this seal off now. That's a screwdriver. So this is the old one. Let's get that out of there. Just like that. And clean that up with a wire brush. Good old Jaguar Land Rover there. So these are the things, like I said, it's like having a really expensive girlfriend. It needs a water pump, and now it needs an actuator. So that's the actuator got. It constantly needs something else. But this is what you're going to get when you've got 100 and, I think it's got 103,000 on the clock. So yeah, high end, you can say high end prices. Like I say, right, that's the give it a good clean cleaner. Just like that, you motherfucker. And then no doubt the other side will go. So welcome to Jaguar Land Rover world. Yeah, they're nice cars to drive, but it's constant. You're going to be paying £1,000, I reckon, a grand a year, keeping the thing maintained. It's like having an expensive girlfriend. But you're shagged if you've got an expensive girlfriend and a Range Rover. One's going to have to go. I know which one I would keep. So you can see that. Let me see if I can get that into them threads in there. So we're about to stick the new one on. High maintenance. That's what these cars need. High maintenance. What's going to go next? So, thing needs a water pump. It needs one of these. It needs spark plugs, fan belts, and suspender belts in it. Yeah. Fuck's sake. So the guy from High Peaks Autos, he really likes these cars. Well, They are nice to drive, but they're a fucking nightmare to keep on top of. So we'll grease that sucker up, put a new seal on it. Make sure all the shit's out of there. Can you see the shit that's in there? Look. You see it? There. Look at all that shite. This is why you need a good seal, because otherwise if water gets in, it's just going to fuck up again. Fucking bullshit electronics on a car. See, water and electrics don't go. Why can't they just keep the old-fashioned handbrake? Why? Now everything's fucking electronic bullshit. It all fucks up. It's designed to fuck up in it. You're telling me they couldn't make an indestructible car? I bet they could. But oh no, they won't. Because it's all about money. It's like your high maintenance girlfriend who wants a new handbag every couple of weeks. This is the same thing. Every couple of weeks this is going to need new parts. Look at that shit in there, look. Ugh. Put a new fucking seal on it. Right, here's the new one. There's the fact one. You see the water's got in it, obviously. I'm going to try and seal this right up. There's a new seal. Maybe it would be a good idea to take the old one off on the other side and put a new seal on it. Okay guys, I've got the new seal on. Do you know what I think I will splatter in there? Some copper grease. Yeah, fuck it, I'm going to put copper grease in there as well. Right, let's put a little bit of... Let's put that copper grease in there. Won't do it any harm. Alright, that's the suspension coming down. Okay. There you go guys, there's a new one. You don't even have to take the wheel off. You get to it quite easily. Just make sure that clicks in, that cable on the top, so it's in properly. I'll give it a good squirt with WD-40 as well. So yeah, let's see if it's going to work. Bish bash bosh. Right guys, that's the handbrake sorted out. It's pretty good. You just have to turn it on and turn it off again, and the car does it automatically. So, and then it comes off the dashboard. So there you go, high maintenance car. So there you go, there's someone else is wanting. Right, so there's your high maintenance Range Rover. That's something else that I've just fixed. The left side actuator. I don't know what's going to go next. Range Rovers, man. Anyway, on that note, see you tomorrow.